Hi students, have a nice day. Today our topic is measurement. What do you mean measurement? Measurement is nothing but it's the basis of all scientific studies, and is also measurement is a very important role in our daily life also. Measurement answer questions like how fast, how long and how heavy. Measurement is nothing but is a determination of magnitude of size or quantity. What do you mean by quantity? Quantity is a number or amount of something, substance. It's called as a quantity. Quantity is classified as a two type. One is a physical quantity, another one is non-physical quantity. What do you mean by physical quantity? Physical quantity is nothing but can be measured. The quantity can be measured is called physical quantity. What do you mean by non-physical quantity? Non-physical quantity means cannot be measured, like ideas, thoughts, and emotions. It's called as a non-physical quantity. But physical quantities can be measured. All measured quantities are called physical quantity. Physical quantity is divided in two types. One is quantity is classified as two types. One is physical quantity, other one is non-physical quantity. Physical quantity is nothing but can be measured. Non-physical quantities cannot be measured. Ideas, thoughts, emotions. It cannot be measured. It is a non-physical quantity. This is a physical quantity. Physical quantity is classified two types. One is a fundamental quantity, another one is derived quantity. So what do you mean by fundamental quantity? Fundamental quantity is nothing but the quantity which can be expressed in terms of, there cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantity. It's not possible to other quantity measure. Cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantity. This is not possible. Which means this is called as a base quantity. The base quantity measure other quantity, but other quantities are not measured base quantity. This is the base fundamental. The quantity cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantity is called as fundamental quantity. Example, length, mass, time, temperature, something, electric current, and luminous intensity, amount of substance is called as a fundamental quantity. Derived quantity. Derived quantity means the quantity can be expressed in terms of base quantity. Is called as derived quantity. Derived quantity is very important. It is derived from the fundamental quantity. Is called as a derived quantity. Base quantity means cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantity. Is called as base quantity. Derived quantity means can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantity called derived quantity. For example, I want to take one rectangular. AB is a length and BC is a breadth. This is length, breadth. For example, length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter. So I want to calculate the area. Area equal to length into breadth. You know well, length 10 centimeter into 5 centimeter, which is equal to 50 centimeter square. See, length is the one fundamental quantity. Breadth is also another one fundamental quantity. This is also one length. So area is derived from the fundamental quantity. That's why area is derived quantity. Derived quantity means can be expressed in terms of fundamental quantity or base quantity is called as derived quantity. This is an example of derived quantity. And next one, what are the derived quantities? Derived examples: area, next velocity, momentum, force, pressure. This is a derived quantity. Fundamental quantity: length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. This is a fundamental quantity. Next is unit. What is unit? Unit is a standard quantity, which means unknown quantity compared with known quantity is called as a unit. Unit is defined as a specific magnitude of physical quantity that has been adopted by law or convention For example, 10 feet. 10 feet. 10 is the magnitude, feet is the unit, which means 10 times of 1 feet. 10 times of 1 feet. Where 1 feet is the unit, 10 is the magnitude. The 1 feet is a predetermined length. That is a known quantity. Unknown quantity compare with known quantity. That is called as unit. 10 times of 1 feet. 10 feet is the measurement. I mean the 10 feet is a length or unit of length. 10 feet, 10 times of 1 feet. 1 feet is a predetermined length. That is unit. Unit system of earlier times. It has a three system, CGS system and a FPS system and a MKS system. For example, you know the fundamental quantity, length, mass, time. Length and mass, time. So the fundamental quantity, if length is measured in centimeter, if length measured in gram, time measured in second, that is called CGS system. See, length for foot and mass for pound and time second, and length is measured in meter, mass measured in kilogram, time measured in second. This is a unit system of earlier times. For example, in CGS system is nothing but length measured in centimeter, mass measured in gram, time measured in second. FPS system is nothing but length measured foot in earlier time, mass measured in pound, time measured in second. MK system is nothing but length measured in meter, mass measured in kilogram, time measured in second. This is a unit system of earlier time, but nowadays we are using SI system. SI system, International System of Units. Now these are modified, which means modified from the earlier systems. I mean modified and developed the systems, SI system. SI system, almost all countries are adopted these systems, SI system. Now we can, in modern world we are using in only SI system. SI system is nothing but International System of Units. There are 7 fundamental systems are available in SI system, fundamental quantities. First one is the length and second one is mass. Length, mass, time, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. These are basic fundamental quantities. There are 7 fundamental quantities in SI system. This is a quantity. So what is the unit? Length, unit, meter. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram. In SI system, it's very important. Time, unit of time is second. Unit of temperature is Kelvin. Unit of electric current is ampere. Amount of substance, mole. Luminous intensity, candela. What is the symbol of these units? See, length or unit meter, symbol small m. Mass of unit of mass is kilogram, symbol kg. Unit of time is second, symbol s. Unit of temperature is Kelvin, symbol K. Electric current, ampere, symbol Ca. Amount of substance, mole, symbol MOL. Luminous intensity, candela, symbol CD. This is a very important 7 fundamental quantities. 7 fundamental quantities based on SI system. What do you mean by derived quantity? Derived quantity can be derived from the fundamental quantity, is called as derived quantity. See, first one is area. For example, area is equal to, what is the expression of area, which means the formula? length into breadth, general formula. So what is the unit of length? Meter. Breadth is also measured in meter. So meter into meter, meter square. This is quantity. This is expression, which means a formula. This is unit. So very important. Area equal to general expression, which means a formula. Length into breadth, measured length in meter, breadth is also measured in meter. So meter into meter, meter square. Next one, density. What is the formula of density? Mass by volume. Mass by volume. What is the unit of mass? You know well, kilogram. What is the unit of volume? Volume is equal to area into height. Area equal to length into breadth into height. So it is equal to meter, breadth meter, height meter. So meter cube. This is unit of volume. So substitute this unit of volume. Mass divided by volume. Density equal to mass by volume. Mass kilogram, volume meter cube. So kilogram per meter cube is the unit of density, or kilogram per meter cube, or kilogram meter power minus 3. This is a unit. And the third one is volume. Volume you know well, volume meter cube. And next one is velocity. Velocity equal to, what is the definitions of velocity? The rate of change of displacement is called as velocity. You know well, velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Displacement divided by time. So velocity equal to, you know well, displacement is nothing but this is a length. Displacement you know well, distance between 2 points. It is a length. What is the unit of length? Displacement meter divided by time is second. So unit of velocity is meter per second, or meter second power minus 1. This is a unit of velocity. Next one is momentum. Momentum is also derived quantity. What is the formula of momentum? Momentum is equal to, the symbol of momentum is the expression mass into velocity. Mass into velocity. The momentum is equal to formula mass into velocity. What is the unit of momentum? It is equal to mass into velocity. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram into velocity. You know well, meter per second. So meter per second. So kilogram meter per second is the unit of momentum, or kilogram meter second power minus 1. This is the unit of momentum. Next one is acceleration. What do you mean by acceleration? Acceleration is a derived quantity. What is the formula of acceleration? You know well, rate of change of velocity is called as acceleration, which means velocity divided by time is called acceleration. So A is equal to velocity divided by time. What is the unit of velocity? Meter per second, or meter second power minus 1 divided by time second. So which is equal to meter second power minus 1. The second is also goes to numerator to denominator. So second minus 1, which is equal to meter second minus 2. This is a unit of acceleration. And next one is very important, force. Next, derived quantity. Next, force is a derived quantity derived from the base quantity or fundamental quantity. So that's why it's a derived quantity. Force, what is the formula of force? Expression mass into acceleration. Well, mass into velocity called momentum. Mass into acceleration called force. So mass into acceleration. I want to calculate the unit. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. What is the unit of mass? Kilogram into acceleration. You know well, acceleration is equal to velocity divided by time. Meter second minus 1 divided by second. So finally we get meter second minus 2. This is a unit of acceleration. So meter second minus 2. So kilogram meter second minus 2, this is a unit of force. But this is from the fundamental derived quantity based on expression. But SI system, unit of force is Newton. Unit of force is Newton, symbol caps here. So for your SI unit, very important. The unit of force is based on SI system. The unit of force is Newton. This is derived from the expression based on formula. So kilogram meter second minus 2. So Newton is equal to kilogram meter second minus 2. It is a very important. What is the SI unit of force is Newton. What is the equivalent unit of force? Kilogram meter second minus 2. This is the equivalent unit of Newton. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. What is the equivalent unit of Newton? Kilogram meter second minus 2. It is a very important. See, compare two categories. One is a momentum, another one is force. Momentum is nothing but mass into velocity. Force is nothing but mass into acceleration. So mass into velocity, momentum unit kilogram meter second minus 1. Mass into acceleration, force unit kilogram meter second minus 2. But equivalent unit, this is equivalent unit. What is SI unit of force is Newton, symbol caps N. So Newton is equal to kilogram meter second minus 2. Sometimes it is very important. Compare force and unit of force and unit of momentum. Sometimes see Newton is equal to kilogram meter second minus 2. What is the unit of momentum? Unit of momentum is kilogram meter second minus 1. See, multiple 1 second divided by 1 second. There is no change in value. So kilogram meter second minus 1 into this is also second minus 1 into this second. See, kilogram meter second minus 1 into second minus 1 second minus 2 into second. See, kilogram meter second minus 2 is equal to Newton. So Newton second. This is unit of momentum. Unit of momentum. What is another one unit of momentum? What is the equivalent unit of momentum? Newton second is also equivalent unit of momentum based from force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Newton equal to kilogram meter second minus 2. Kilogram meter second minus 1 is the velocity of unit of momentum. Newton is the unit of force. So compare two units. What is based from the force unit? So momentum is the unit of momentum is kilogram meter second minus 1 or Newton second. These are two units. Sometimes questions, what is the unit of momentum? A option, kilogram meter second minus 1. B option, Newton second. C option, both A and B. D option, none of these. C option is the correct answer, both A and B. Next is pressure. Pressure is another one derived quantity. What do you mean by pressure formula? Pressure is equal to force by area. Force by area. You know well, what is the unit of force? Unit of force is Newton. What is the unit of area? Meter square. So Newton per meter square or Newton meter minus 2. This is a unit of pressure. See, SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Symbol PA. SI unit of pressure is Pascal. Symbol PA. So what is your SI unit of pressure? Pascal. What is equivalent unit of Pascal? Is equal to Newton meter minus 2. Newton meter power minus 2. SI unit of pressure is Pascal, symbol PA. What is the equivalent unit of Pascal? Pascal is equal to Newton meter minus 2. Newton meter power minus 2 is derived from the formula, from expression. See, Pascal is equal to Newton meter power minus 2. Sometimes, see, Pascal is equal to, you know well, what is equivalent unit of Newton? kilogram meter second minus 2. This is the equivalent unit of Newton. And next meter minus 2. So Pascal is equal to kilogram. This is meter power plus 1. This is meter power minus 2. So cancel meter power minus 1 second minus 2. This is another one equivalent unit of Pascal. Next one is work. Work done or energy. All are equal. See, work is equal to. What is the formula of work? Work is equal to force into displacement. Force into displacement. So I want to calculate the derived unit. See, unit of force in Newton, displacement is meter. Newton meter is the unit of work done or energy. Work done or energy. See, work is equal to expression formula force into displacement. Novel unit of force is Newton. Displacement is meter. So Newton meter is the formula of unit of work. See, SI system of work. What is the SI system? Based on SI system, what is the unit of work? What is the unit of energy? Joule. Joule is the SI unit of work or SI unit of energy or SI unit of work done. This is a SI based on SI system. Joule is the unit of energy, but equivalent unit of Joule equal to Newton meter from expression. So Joule is equal to Newton meter or kilogram meter second minus 2. This is the equivalent unit of Newton into meter. So Joule is equal to, this is kilogram meter into meter, meter square, this second minus 2. This is another one equivalent unit of Joule. SI unit of energy or work done is Joule. Equivalent unit of Joule is Newton meter. Another one unit kilogram meter square, second minus 2. And next one is surface tension. What is surface tension? Surface tension formula is equal to force by length. Force by length. Expression or formula force by length surface tension. Surface tension is equal to, what is the unit of surface tension? You know well, force by length. Unit of force is Newton. Unit of length is meter. Newton per meter is the unit of surface tension, or Newton kilogram meter second minus 2 divided by meter. So meter cancel. Kilogram second minus 2. This is a unit of surface tension. Unit of surface tension Newton per meter or Newton meter power minus 1. So equivalent unit of Newton is kilogram meter second minus 2 divided by meter cancel. So kilogram second minus 2. Equivalent unit of surface tension. This is a fundamental quantity. What do you mean by fundamental quantity? Quantity cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantity called fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantities, the first one is length, mass, temperature, electric current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. It is a fundamental quantities. So first of all, I will explain in fundamental quantity. First we will take length. What do you mean by length? Length is extends distance between 2 points. Extend something distance between 2 points is called as length. What is the SI unit of length is meter. So what do you mean by meter? How we can to define 1 meter? 1 meter is nothing but light distance traveled by light through vacuum in fractions of 1 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 second. See, 1 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 fraction seconds light traveled. The distance traveled by light through in vacuum. It is very, very important. Almost vacuum or medium, air medium. Almost the velocity of light is equal in vacuum and air medium. So 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second is the velocity of light. So definitions of 1 meter is define 1 meter, which means that 1 meter is defined as the distance traveled by light through in vacuum, fractions of 1 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 second is called as a 1 meter. For example, you know well, velocity of light V is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light. What is the velocity equal to? Displacement divided by time. I want to calculate displacement. Displacement is equal to velocity into time. So velocity 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second into the distance traveled by light through in vacuum in fractions of 3 into 10 power 8 second is called as a 1 meter, which means time is equal to 1 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 second. The fraction value is, which means 3 into 10 power 8 fractions value, which means 1 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 second is equal to 3 into 10 power 8, 3 into 10 power 8 cancel, second cancel, finally you get 1 meter. The distance is 1 meter. This is 1 meter distance definitions. The 1 meter is nothing but the distance traveled by light through in vacuum in fractions of 1 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 second is called as a 1 meter. Larger unit of length, one is a astronomical unit, second one is light year, and third one is parsec. What is astronomical unit? Astronomical unit is nothing but is a mean distance between sun and earth. The center of the sun from the center of the sun, which means the mean distance between center of the sun from the center of the earth is called as 1 astronomical unit. So 1 astronomical unit which is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. 1 astronomical unit is nothing but the mean distance between sun from the earth or earth from the sun. Is a mean distance between the sun and the earth is equal to 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Light year is nothing but the light distance traveled by light through in 1 year in vacuum. So 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. This is a 1 light year. Light year is nothing but distance traveled by light through 1 year in vacuum is called as 1 light year. The 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Parsec is nothing but this is the distance between two planets out of solar system. This is called as a 1 parsec. 1 parsec equal to 3.26 light year. 3.26 light year, which is equal to 3.26 into 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter, which is equal to almost 3.26 into 9.46. Multiple this 36, remaining 3, 12, 5, 18, 9, 24, 2, 8, 0, remaining 1, 12, 13, 54, 5, 18, 18, 5, 33, remaining 3, 27, 30. So 6, 9, 13, remaining 1, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 31.8396 into 10 power 15 meter or 3.183 into 10 power 16 meter. So 1 parsec is equal to 3.183 into 10 power 16 meter. So very important 3 units: astronomical unit and light year and parsec. This is a larger unit of length. Astronomical unit is nothing but the mean distance between sun, center of the sun to center of earth is equal to 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Light year is nothing but the distance traveled by light in 1 year through vacuum is called as 1 light year. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. So next one, parsec is the distance between two planets, so out of the solar system, is equal to parsec. So 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. It is very important. So 1 parsec is equal to 3.183 to 10 power 16 meter. See, 1 astronomical equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Here compare astronomical unit and light year. So convert this astronomical unit to light year to astronomical unit. See, just I want to take first one. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 meter is equal to 1 light year divided by 9.46 into 10 power 15. So just substitute the here. 1 astronomical unit equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 into 1 meter equal to 1 light year divided by 9.46 into 10 power 15. Just convert this. 1 astronomical unit equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 divided by 9.46 into 10 power 15 light year, which is equal to, just simplify this, 1.496 almost 1.5 divided by 9.46 is equal to almost 9.5. Just simplify. 10 power 11 into, this is 10 power 15 goes to numerator to denominator, minus 15 light year. Denominator to numerator, power value should be changed. You know well. So which is equal to, this is 15 divided by 95 into 10 power minus 4 light year. So this is equal to, this is 3 times, this is 1, remaining 4, 19. 3 divided by 19 into 10 power minus 4 light year. Simplify this. 3 divided by 19, 0.01, 19, remaining 1, so 2, 1 and 0, 5 times 45, remaining 4, 5, 4, 9, 95, so 9, 45, remaining 4, 5, 9, 10, 5, 1, 0, so 7 times or 7, 8, 7 times 9, 7 or 63, remaining 6, 7, 7, 6, 13, see 7, 4, 1, 0.157. So this is equal to 0.157 into 10 power minus 4 light year. So 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.57 into 10 power minus 5 light year. So you will convert this astronomical unit to light year to astronomical unit. This is a very important one words. See, 1 astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. 1 astronomical unit equal to 1.581 in 10 power minus 5 light year. 1 astronomical unit equal to 4.848 into 10 power minus 6 parsec. And next one is 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. 1 light year is equal to 6.3241 into 10 power for astronomical unit. 1 light year is equal to 0.307 parsec. And next one, 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 power 16 meter. 1 parsec is equal to 2.06 into 10 power 5 astronomical unit. 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light year. So it is a very important area, and is just practice it. Convert this astronomical unit to light year to astronomical unit, and astronomical unit to parsec to light year and astronomical. Practice well. It is a very important area. Thank you.